For this recipe, you need all these ingredients, and the details will also be down below in the description box. I'm going to use potatoes, not peel them. Boil them without peeling them, then after they cool, I'll peel them. You need 4 to 5 eggs, depends how protein rich you want your salad. You also need some carrots. So the carrots I'm using are very thin and young, so I will peel them before I boil them, and I'll boil them separately from everything else. You also need fresh dill. If you hate dill, use some other herb, or just keep the herb out of completely. You also need mayonnaise. If you don't like real mayonnaise, you can use vegan mayonnaise. Absolutely amazing. You need a can of peas. We might not use all of it. Let's see after we chop everything up, see how much stuff we have. You also need some pickles. I picked up these dill pickles, and I'll probably use 2 of them. My sister uses cucumbers. When she gave me this recipe, she said cucumbers, but I personally don't like cucumbers in the salad, so we're gonna omit that. And salt and pepper. And I know that some people use some kind of meat protein, boiled chicken or ham or something. I don't. I'm gonna just keep it vegetarian today, well, minus the mayonnaise. All right, here we are. I have my potatoes and eggs cooking in one pot, and I have my peeled and washed carrots cooking in another one. We'll have them cooked and soft, but not mushy, okay? So let them have a little crunch, but make sure you overcook the eggs. The eggs have to be really, really hard boiled. Okay, I have everything ready to go. I washed the pickles. Everything is boiled. I'm gonna peel them now. I also going to use the whole can of the peas because I have no other use for them, so why not? I washed them and I dried them really well to get all the liquid out, and same with the dill. So I'm gonna start chopping everything. I'll start with the pickles. I just want to show you the size I like. So obviously, being born in the former USSR, I grew up eating this salad, but I never really liked it until I started making it myself. This year, it was the first time I made it myself. It was really the first time I started making this last month, and I really liked it, and I said, okay, you know, I'm gonna make it again. I like my salad small, so not like chunky. That's like a weird thing to say, salad, because you know, when we think of salad in America, we always think of greens and lettuce and whatnot, but this one is like, you know, salad in its own way. And this is the kind of pieces I'm gonna go for, more or less. And after I chop everything, we're gonna basically mix it all up. All right, everything is chopped up. Let's add the green peas. Just like that, I made a lot of salad. And some pepper. I think this is gonna use 1 cup of mayo. Some salt. Oh, that's enough. And about a cup of mayo. Listen, if you want more mayo in your salad, go ahead. If you can handle the calories, if you want it to be really gooey, you can go ahead. For me, this is more than enough, more than I even want to put, because I don't want it to be too much. Now we're gonna mix it all up until it is all combined, and you'll see how beautiful it looks. Look at this gorgeous salad. You see, it is more than enough mayo in it. I mixed everything up super nicely. It tastes amazing. And now I'm gonna transfer it to a container for the fridge, let it chill for an hour, 2 hours before I eat it.